Dream on 3rd March 2017. I saw Turkey fall down and destruction started in Turkey. After this, Israel became really active. Israel increased its operation in the area of Palestine and it built a fort for the Dajjal. And Muslims couldn't do anything other than protests either. Israel formed alliance with some other groups and also started terrorist activities. And USA completely supported Israel and used its intelligence. When Russia found out about this, then it also formed alliances in those areas with other groups and started operations, and they both raced each other in conquering the lands. Then USA suddenly openly jumped in Middle East and met with Israel and other allies and started to fight with groups of Russia. After seeing this, Russia also jumped and its allies supported it. And in this way World War III started, and the field of war were the countries of Middle East, due to which the worst destruction started in the countries of Middle East. And this war got spread. In this war of USA, Russia and its allies, large amount of Muslims started to die. And the war became so terrifying and horrible that no one did anything for them. And this war slowly spread in Egypt, Sudan, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, UAE, and other Arab countries, and almost in the entire Middle East. And allies of America, Russia, and Israel also kept on increasing. Some Muslim countries also became allies with USA and Russia. Both superpowers wanted to cover most of the land, and they also stood fast on the hold which they already had on the areas, and they also fought against each other. But on the other side, Pakistan kept on growing, and it kept on getting stronger, and since India is the ally of USA and Israel, so that's why along with Middle East, America, Israel, and other allies also attacked on Pakistan together, and they wanted to destroy Pakistan. The number of foes of Pakistan were great, but Allah helped Pakistan with black jet fighters, and their number were around 3,000. And then war started against Pakistan, and Pakistan won this war with the help of Allah, and Pakistan conquered all the areas of India, and Bangladesh and Afghanistan also became a part of Pakistan. Indonesia and Malaysia were also with Pakistan because all the enemies of Pakistan were defeated. Then Pakistan jumped in Middle East with the help of Allah, and it fought both the superpowers. Pakistan also attacked with black jet fighters and attacked in such a way that no one could stop Pakistan. And after defeating both superpowers, Pakistan became a superpower alone in the world. And it regained Middle East, Arab countries, Turkey, Egypt, Sudan, etc. And all these areas became a part of Pakistan. And Pakistan started to rebuild all these areas, and the true Islam of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ started to establish in all these areas, and peace prevailed where the World War III occurred, and the dream ended there.